I have many books. I don't have many books. Do you have many books? She has much water. She doesn't have much water. Does she have much water? They bought a lot of apples. They didn't buy a lot of apples. Did they buy a lot of apples? There is some milk. There isn't any milk. Is there any milk? We saw a few people. We didn't see many people. Did you see many people? He needs a little sugar. He doesn't need much sugar. Does he need much sugar? I got a lot of presents. I didn't get many presents. Did you get any presents? She has some friends in Paris. She doesn't have any friends there. Does she have any friends? We made a lot of noise. We didn't make much noise. Did you make much noise? There are many chairs here. There aren't many chairs. Are there many chairs? He drank too much coffee. He didn't drink too much coffee. Did he drink too much coffee? I ate too many cookies. I didn't eat too many cookies. Did you eat too many cookies? They brought plenty of food. They didn't bring plenty of food. Did they bring plenty of food? She gave me a little money. She didn't give me any money. Did she give you any money? We met a few students. We didn't meet many students. Did you meet any students? There was a lot of traffic. There wasn't much traffic. Was there much traffic? You need a little help. You don't need much help. Do you need any help? He has few relatives. He doesn't have many relatives. Does he have any relatives? I have some good news. I don't have any good news. Do you have any good news? We had lots of fun. We didn't have much fun. Did you have lots of fun? She has enough money. She doesn't have enough money. Does she have enough money? There are a few mistakes. There aren't many mistakes. Are there any mistakes? He added a little salt. He didn't add much salt. Did he add much salt? I bought many pens. I didn't buy many pens. Did you buy any pens? We need some chairs. We don't need any chairs. Do we need any chairs? She found a few coins. She didn't find many coins. Did she find any coins? There is too much noise. There isn't too much noise. Is there too much noise? He drinks a lot of water. He doesn't drink much water. Does he drink much water? I eat a lot of fruit. I don't eat much fruit. Do you eat much fruit? They saw a lot of birds. They didn't see many birds. Did they see many birds? There are some eggs. There aren't any eggs. Are there any eggs? She wants some advice. She doesn't want any advice. Does she want any advice? We brought a few cups. We didn't bring many cups. Did you bring any cups? I made a little tea. I didn't make much tea. Did you make much tea? They cooked a lot of rice. They didn't cook much rice. Did they cook much rice? He gave us some bread. He didn't give us any bread. Did he give you any bread? There are too many people. There aren't too many people. Are there too many people? I found plenty of ideas. I didn't find many ideas. Did you find any ideas? She saw a few stars. She didn't see many stars. Did she see any stars? We need some paper. We don't need any paper. Do we need any paper? There is some butter. There isn't any butter. Is there any butter? He added a little oil. He didn't add much oil. Did he add much oil? I have enough time. I don't have enough time. Do you have enough time? They had a lot of opportunities. They didn't have many opportunities. Did they have many opportunities? There were some oranges. There weren't any oranges. Were there any oranges? She needs a little cream. She doesn't need much cream. Does she need much cream? We took a few pictures. We didn't take many pictures. Did you take many pictures? I know many words. I don't know many words. Do you know many words? He has some questions. He doesn't have any questions. Does he have any questions? There is a little cheese. There isn't much cheese. Is there much cheese? She brought lots of flowers. She didn't bring many flowers. Did she bring many flowers? We found a few pencils. We didn't find many pencils. Did you find any pencils? He reads a lot of books. He doesn't read many books. Does he read many books? There are some clothes. There aren't any clothes. Are there any clothes? I made a little noise. I didn't make much noise. Did you make much noise? She gave me some sugar. She didn't give me any sugar. Did she give you any sugar? They brought a few maps. They didn't bring many maps. Did they bring any maps? We need some information. We don't need any information. Do we need any information? He drinks a lot of tea. He doesn't drink much tea. Does he drink much tea? I cooked some pasta. I didn't cook any pasta. Did you cook any pasta?